Okay, now that the pizza dough is all stretched out, after letting it sit for about 15 minutes, we remove it and we put it on the uni peel that already has semolina on it. This prevents the pizza from sticking. It took me a long time to figure it out. So we lay it right on top and you can test it, jiggle it, and you can see that it moves okay. So that was one big hurdle that I had. So we're gonna top the pizza first with a little bit of basil on the bottom. And we're gonna put some more on top. Then we take the Trader Joe's mozzarella, which has been cut from its little round nodules. Oops. Let's put the tomato sauce on first. Okay, so now that we have the pizza on the peel, we're gonna put some tomato sauce. And again, this is Trader Joe's tomato sauce, not homemade tomato sauce. We wanna make this as easy as possible. And after we have some experience, we can make our own pizza sauce. And I'm using a spoon and just putting on a little bit. You can put as much as you'd like, but if you put too much, then it gets soggy and it's very hard to cook. So as you can see here, we're just putting on a very thin layer. You can obviously use other sauces, some that have spices and whatnot, and different vendors, but because we have Trader Joe's nearby and their prices are great, we're using the Trader Joe's pizza sauce. And now we put some basil on top, just a little bit for the first layer. We will put more later on after we finish cooking the pizza. Then we take the sliced mozzarella and we decorate the pizza. There are obviously other types of cheese that you can have. Trader Joe's also has a shredded cheese that you can use, but we find the quality isn't as great. They also have a wet mozzarella that's pre-cut, which is also great to use, so try that. And you can try other types of cheeses if you'd like. And we also have a couple mushrooms that we're gonna decorate the pizza with. Then we move on to salami. So we're making a salami pizza today. And this is the Columbus salami, also from Trader Joe's. We are not sponsored by Trader Joe's. We have to pay for all these products, but it's just convenient to get in one place and their prices are pretty aggressive. So we lay that down, as many as you like. We can fit quite a few. You can use pepperoni. They also sell pepperoni there. And prosciutto and other meats. You also can take the Trader Joe's sausages, cut them open and decorate them to make a sausage pizza. So now we have it, a ready to cook pizza, salami pizza with mozzarella, basil, tomato sauce, ready to cook in our uni pizza.